Hello guys, welcome to my channel Love to Learn. Today in this video, I want to show you how to install lombok in your IDE. Guys, first of all, go to Chrome and paste this link and you will be redirected to a page and you can find a button like download and click on it. Then a jar file will be downloaded. Guys, I will paste this link in description. By using it, you can download a jar file, okay? If you observe, a jar file is downloaded. 1 minute guys. Want to keep. Okay, now it's downloaded guys. And now I will show you how to install lombok into our IDE. Double click on this lombok jar file. Then we will get pop-up like this. Specify location of your IDE. My IDE is on desktop and now I am specifying it. Okay, select that folder and click on install or update. Now lombok is successfully installed guys. We also got a message here. And guys, if you want to use lombok in your in your Spring Tool Suite or Eclipse, please make sure that you are using lombok jar file in your project also. Okay, now we are just install lombok in our IDE. Okay, but make sure you will add lombok jar into your project. If you don't add like that, your project won't be work. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel.